Leonard, prepare to be humbled and weep at the glory of my genius.
Nope, it was better before.
Look at it. I feel like my mind just made a baby. And it's beautiful. It's not like human babies, which are loud and covered in goop.
Holy crap, Sheldon. Did you just figure out a method for synthesizing a new, stable, super heavy element?
Yo, did I? Well, that can't be right. No one's ever done that before. Except me, because I just did it. Sheldon and his brain, yeah. 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 Looking out at your fresh young faces, I remember when I, too, was deciding my academic future as a lowly graduate student. Of course, I was 14. And had already achieved more than most of you could ever hope to, despite my 9 o'clock bedtime. Whoa. Yeah. Just because I love you doesn't mean girls are allowed in my room. All I need is a healthy ovum, and I can grow my own Leonard Nimoy. Help me open it.
Are you crazy? We can't go down an empty elevator shaft.
Fine. If you don't want to proceed, then you forfeit the bet, and I'll take possession of your Fantastic Four.
Let's open her up.
Are you bothered that I can so easily manipulate you?
Go.
I am a mobile virtual presence device. Recent events have demonstrated to me that my body is too fragile to endure the vicissitudes of the world. Until such time as I am able to transfer my consciousness, I shall remain in a secure location and interact with the world in this manner.
I honestly didn't believe Amy when she told me she had a boyfriend.
I assure you I am quite real, and I'm having regular intercourse with your daughter. I'm the boss. I make the jokes. Thanks, Shorty. I'll take it from here.
Sheldon! It's not a great time. What do you want?
Hello to you, too. But I'm sorry, but this is important.
What is it?
Back to the Future 2 was in the Back to the Future 3 case. And Back to the Future 3 was, get this, in the Back to the Future 2 case. So, did you do that? Or am I in the house with an intruder? All right, you people ready to have some fun? You have a basic understanding of differential calculus and at least 1 year of algebraic topology? Well, here come the jokes.
It was good.
That's it? Good?
I enjoyed it. But when you told me I was going to be losing my virginity, I didn't think you meant showing me Raiders of the Lost Ark for the first time.
My apologies. I chose my words poorly. I should have said you were about to have your world rocked on my couch. Why did the chicken cross the Mobius strip? To get to the same side. Bazinga! Howard, if you're going to lie to your wife, don't start the sentence with Sheldon misunderstood. That's a dead giveaway. Neutron walks into a bar and asks, how much for a drink? The bartender says, for you, no charge. See you in hell, Sheldon. The most frightening thing about that is the missing comma. I know you're out there. I can hear you metabolizing oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide.
Ooh, I thought I smelled pizza.
That's remarkable. If pepperoni were an explosive substance, you could replace German shepherds at our nation's airports. Let's get serious for a moment. Why are we all here? Because we're scientists. And what do scientists study? The universe. And what's the universe made of? I am so glad you asked. There's antimony, arsenic, aluminum, selenium, and hydrogen, and oxygen, and nitrogen, and rhenium, and nickel, neodymium, neptunium, germanium. Everybody! And iron, americium, ruthenium, uranium, europium, zirconium, lutetium, vanadium. Just the Asians. And lanthanum and all. As a man with a keen sense of style, I must tell you, that chair does not work with the room. It looks like we have some academic dignitaries in the audience. Dr. Randall from the geology department, only man who's happy when they take his work for granted. But I've kid the geologist, of course, but it's only because I have no respect for the field.
Are there any questions?
Yeah, what the hell was that? Well, if you want romance, then let's have romance. Oh, look, there's wine. Grape juice that burns.
Amy Farrah Fowler, you're Sheldon Cooper.
Hello, Amy Farrah Fowler. I'm sorry to inform you that you have been taken in by unsupportable mathematics designed to prey on the gullible and the lonely. Additionally, I'm being blackmailed with a hidden dirty sock.
Look, if you weren't happy with my presentation, then maybe you should have given it with me.
As I've explained repeatedly, unlike you, I don't need validation from lesser minds. No offense.
Really?
You'll never guess what just happened.
Oh, I give up.
I don't guess. As a scientist, I reach conclusions based on observation and experimentation. Although as I'm saying this, it occurs to me you may have been employing a rhetorical device, rendering my response moot. You shouldn't keep your bread in the refrigerator. Staleness is caused by crystallization of the starch molecules, which occurs faster at cool temperatures.
Hi, Benny, right?
Oh, yes. Hi, I'm sorry I didn't know you had company. I don't want to impose.
It's not an imposition. At this point in our ecosystem, you are akin to the plover, a small scavenging bird that eats extra food from between the teeth of crocodiles. And you, sir, you have completely skipped over the part where I was walking through the park and I saw these children on a merry-go-round, which started me thinking about the moment of inertia in gases like helium at temperatures approaching absolute zero.
I didn't skip it. It's just an anecdote. It's not science.
Oh, I see. It was the apple falling on Newton's head. Was that just an anecdote?
You are not Isaac Newton.
No, that's true. Gravity would have been apparent to me without the apple. I know Mr. Data isn't supposed to smile, but here it comes. Leonard, you will be doing a series of complex mathematical problems on a vintage Casio Model 1175 calculator watch I received when I won the Earth Science Medal in 3rd grade. Treat it with respect. How can I ever repay you?
Well, would you consider naming it the Cooper-Nowitzki theorem?
Who's Nowitzki?
I'm Nowitzki.
Oh, you want me to share credit?
Uh-huh.
Get out.
Hey, Sheldon, you busy?
I'm always busy. This mind is capable of advanced multitasking. Currently, I'm attempting to solve the Penrose conjecture. I'm composing my Nobel acceptance speech for when I've solved the Penrose conjecture. And I'm wondering how mermaids have babies.
Don't they lay eggs on a rock?
Now I've got room for another thing. What do you want?